little bit like it. Hey Barry, are you gonna come in? Because we're gonna play this new game. Do you wanna play?
No, I'm good.
It's really fun. So, what's the rules for the new game?
Well, okay. So I don't know. It's like it basically
Maybe you should call it motion trackers.
What?
Motion trackers.
Trackers?
Yeah, that's a pretty cool game.
Okay, let's stick with this. Yeah. Hey, Celia. Do you know when Mom and Dad are getting back from the trip?
I think it's they're getting back tomorrow morning.
Oh.
It's so cold. So cold!
I know! Oh gosh!
Hey, watch how long I can hold my breath.
Okay.
How long was I?
Did you hear something like over there?
I was underwater.
I know. Not that important. It probably was nothing. Just gonna.
Alright. Nothing to worry about.
Hey, Cecilia.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to tell us scary stories?
Yeah, sure. Do you have any?
Yeah, I got one scary one. It's about this girl. It was all in a
Hey!
story.
Oh my gosh. Did you hear about that? Sorry. That girl that went missing?
Yeah, I heard it on the news. I don't think she lives too far from here.
Yeah. It's so scary. Her house got broken into. Who is it?
I heard some noises.
It's probably fine. Just go back to bed. It's probably like a tree or something. It doesn't really matter.
No, I really heard them. It wasn't a tree. It was real.
Okay, fine. I'll check it out. Where are you hearing them?
I heard them from there.
In there? Alright.
Careful. The sound on the window.
Oh, it's probably just the pipes. Yeah. Well, the pipes make weird noises and stuff. They act up. They're old. Probably some misfunction. How about you just go back to your room?
Okay.
You should just see your face.
Oh,
That was priceless.
look, you scared him. Sorry. Are you okay in your room?
I guess so.
It's gonna be alright.
I mean, that's not right. He's a little kid.
I know.
It's kind of funny on my part, but that might have
I know.
not given him a
He'll be
heart
fine.
attack, but scared him.
He'll be fine.
Careful next time.
Good night.
That's that sound again. You know what? I'm gonna find out what this is for. Go. Oh my god! Oh my god! Call 911! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Think of Mom and Dad. Bring me home. Don't worry. It's gonna be alright. They're gonna help us. We're gonna be alright.
Guys, I got them. I got the police. I got them.